Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right now I am reviewing the Gold Master EA for MT5. And just to confirm early on, this seems to be an MT5 only expert advisor based on the marketplace information. So looking at the marketplace page, the EA is priced at 30 US dollars, developed by Florent Morillo, and it is currently on version 1.2, updated in 1st January 2024 with 5 activations. The focus here is gold trading, specifically XAUUSD, and it is recommended for the H1 time frame. As I scroll through the description, one of the first things that stands out is the approach. This expert advisor is clearly designed with simplicity and capital protection in mind. It avoids risky strategies like martingale, greed, or hedging, which already places it in a more conservative category compared to many automated systems. Another key point mentioned is that it is not built for aggressive short-term gains. Instead, it focuses more on low drawdown and long-term stability, which suggests the goal here is consistency rather than high frequency profit spikes. Now, moving into the features section, I can see that it only takes one trade at a time. That alone already tells me the system is prioritizing controlled exposure rather than stacking multiple positions in the market. There is also a risk management option where lot size can be calculated automatically based on a defined risk percentage, or alternatively, you can use fixed lot sizing. So depending on how the trader configures it, exposure can be adjusted quite flexibly. I also notice there is a spread protection setting, which prevents trades from being taken under unfavorable market conditions, and an equity protection feature that can stop trading entirely if account balance drops below a certain level. Now, on the technical side, it includes moving average settings like fast and slow MA periods, which are part of the underlying strategy logic, although the default values are recommended by the developer. Now, moving into the backtesting section, let us start by reviewing the historical performance presented here on the MQL5 Marketplace. Here we can see 2023. Okay, this shows 2023 backtesting from the first day of 2023 till this should be, I think, 19th December 2023. Risk 10%. All right, the balance equity curve seems to be quite interesting. Now, from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was 6,146.43. That was over 61%. And the total trades taken were 80. Out of those 80 trades, 67 were profitable, yielding an 83.75% profitability. The equity drawdown maximal was 8.11%. And then the balance drawdown maximal is just 6.33%. Okay. Now let us head over to our strategy tester so that we can see how the EA performed in 2026, specifically from the first day of 2026 till date. So covering roughly around 5 months and a week plus. Now, we are testing the Goldmaster EA on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and we are using the last ping to the server for the delays. And of course, we are working with every tick modeling. Looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 19,250.66. And the total trades taken were 42. Out of those 42 trades, only 10 were profitable, giving us a 23.81% win rate. And then the largest profit was $1,210. Largest loss was $3,652.52. Average profit was $1,013.83. Average loss was $918.4. So this shows that the risk to reward ratio is not exactly very good, but it is okay. At least the profit, the average profit is bigger than the average loss, all right, by close to 10% or so. And when you look at how low the win rate is, put that side by side with the risk to reward ratio on average, it's not really surprising to see a negative total net profit, right? Because the win rate is very low. Now, from what I can see on the chart, the trading behavior appears structured and selective rather than frequent. The system seems to focus on controlled entries rather than over trading, which aligns with its single trade at a time design. Okay. And it also looks like the EA tends to stay out of the market during uncertain or less optimal conditions, which matches the idea of prioritizing low drawdown and capital preservation. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Now, stepping back from the chart, the overall structure here suggests a conservative system that is built more for stability than aggressive growth. The combination of risk control, single position logic, and simple strategy design all point toward a steady execution model. Overall, this is a straightforward gold trading expert advisor for MT5 that focuses on controlled exposure and long-term consistency. And as always, actual performance will depend on the risk settings, broker conditions, and how it is optimized by the user. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.